Okay, so people, so if you know what happened, there was a weird, really crazy blizzard, like, 2 nights ago, and, this is what happened. So, it's like, the snow was like 10 feet. Like, yesterday it was like 10 feet. Like, it was probably like 10 feet. And it's probably like 9 feet now. So, it's like so snowy. So, as you can see, I made the most worst snowman right there. But I didn't finish it up. That's why it looks so unfinished. Oh my god. So, yeah. It's really cold, right? It's pretty cold. I hear people outside. Oh my god. I don't even know. So yeah. I'll see you guys. Yeah.